Hey guys, welcome to Creative Corner by Varsha. Today is day 6 of Calligraphy Code Series 2021. For today's code, I will use this paper. It's a 100 GSM paper. You can use any other paper. I will use this brush pen. It's a small tip brush pen from Pentel. So pink will be my base shade and I will do a little bit of blending and touch up with the blue shade. So today's quote is, life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. As usual, I will start with pencil. I will draw some guidelines and will do a layout with pencil. Now I will switch to my brush pen. We are done with day 6 and this is what we have created. You can see a close-up look. If you create this, you can share it with me on Instagram at @Creative Corner by Varsha. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get further notification. Stay tuned because more videos are coming soon. Thank you.